Hello lovely people, you are all welcome back once again to Fancy Kitchen today. And if this is your first time coming across my channel, a big warm akwaba or welcome to you. In today's recipe, I'm going to share with you guys how I normally make my fufu. Please stay with me and let's make this together. This is the type of fufu I normally use. African Beauty. I have this one here and also this one here. And I also have this fufu flakes. So I normally mix them together. I mix the fufu flakes with the fufu, or what we normally call the neat fufu. Trust me, if you make this two fufu together, you will get a perfect fufu. Oh dear, who say yes? Oh dear, fufu ankasa, and the texture is so amazing. I love it. That's how I normally make my fufu. So I said, let me share this amazing fufu with you guys. With the fufu flakes, you don't need that white starch, potato starch we normally add. No, you don't need it. Just make the fufu flakes with your neat fufu or with this fufu and you are good to go. Is looking so nice. Just see. I have fair so kama at the amount, and at the same time at say starchiness on so at the mouth. So guys, this is how our fufu is looking like. So nice. It looks good. Soup is ready. I have my fufu, guys. Just see. Oh, so thank you guys for watching Fancy Kitchen today. Till I see you in my next video. Stay blessed, be kind, love yourself, and love your neighbor. I love you. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Please, if you have not subscribed to this amazing channel yet, take a moment, ring on your notification bell so that anytime we upload a new video, it comes straight to you. And don't forget to like the video. And leave your beautiful comments. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Showing now on Trosibas TV, Ghana's first 4G powered bus television. To sponsor or advertise on this program, you can call us on 0240-022551 or 0266-446403. Trosibas TV is where brands meet customers.